I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a 2016 Ford Explorer key fob battery. Start by locating the seam along the fob and use a small flat tool to gently pry it open. Remove the old CR2032 battery with care, noting its orientation. Insert the new battery the same way, snap the halves back together, and test all buttons before closing up completely. I will show you the exact tools and steps to safely swap your key fob battery with minimal fuss. Use a small flat screwdriver or pry tool to open the seam gently without cracking the plastic. Keep a soft cloth under the fob to protect the case and buttons while you work. Always confirm the battery orientation before removing the old cell and handle electronics with clean, dry hands. I will show each step slowly so you can follow along without stress. Pry the fob open at the seam with steady pressure, then remove the old CR2032 and inspect the contacts for corrosion. If needed, clean contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity, snap the case closed until it clicks, and test buttons to confirm the replacement worked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.